Good morning, everyone. My name is Giron Besaidnout, and I am an application engineer for micrographics. Today, we're going to have a look at fusion operations and what fusion operation entails. Just a bit of my background. I've got over 14 years experience in quality control, and I've got my multidisciplinary drafting qualification. I'm an Autodesk certified instructor. I've got my ISO 9001 awareness, facilitation, implementation, and internal auditing qualification. That's just a small quick introduction of who I am, and let's dive into fusion operations and see what fusion operations is all about. So today on the agenda is the introduction of fusion operations, about fusion operations, what fusion operations provide, certain key points within fusion operations, the main stages of fusion operation and implementation, and then we're going to have a look at the summary of fusion operations. Now, the introduction for fusion operations. What is fusion operations? Fusion operation is a production management and a production floor tracking software. This is a MES system, so manufacturing execution system, that has been created to track the production system. Fusion operations was designed to digitize the production process across the shop floor to assist business to improve efficiency and manufacturing process throughout. Fusion operations is also a multi-capable tool used by operation managers, production managers, schedulers, packaging specialists, and fulfillment operators, quality assurance teams, and shop floor fabrications. And a manufacturing execution system, or MES, can monitor, track, report, and even control the various processes and systems used to manufacturing goods, from raw material to shipping. Now, what does fusion operations provide? It provides a digitalized solution. Now, fusion operation provides a digitized solution that is fast, as production orders can be tracked instantly. It's efficient, as it's easily adapted by both workers and management teams, and accessible, that provides real-time visibility and is accessible anywhere across devices, for instance laptops, tablets, and smartphones. Fusion operation provides capabilities to manage and track production, including purchasing, inventory management, material planning requirements, scheduling, progress tracking, and quality traceability. Now, that would be the key modules within Fusion operations. It's production tracking, inventory management, quality management. When we look at inventory visibility, it's got real-time inventory tracking across your warehouse, traceability for visibility into production, with simple visual workflows, job tracking, and quality control. When we think about production tracking, you can create the following. You can create the product, the operations, production orders. You can create and set up different workers, check the real-time status of the production orders, and see data reports. Inventory management has the capability to assign bill of materials to products, create a purchase order to receive those materials, perform a receiving inventory movement, activate lot traceability, materials inventory will be updated. That goes hand in hand with real-time updates. When we think about quality management, we know there's certain functions that needs to be able to happen within the quality department. Within Fusion operations, the quality management functions are capable to create parameters according to the required information needed. You can easily create checklists at different departments and assign those parameters that you've created as needed or required. You can assign the checklist to required operations, and most important, you can generate the checklist reports. Now, why do we want to use Fusion operations? Now, Fusion operation provides manufacturers and fabricators the ability to manage every aspect of the production floor. Fusion operation gives you the ability to get insights into your production flow and be able to identify where waste occurs, be able to predict necessary maintenance, and keep ahead with different employees' performance as needed or required. Now you'll see there's a small slide just showing you more or less what the Fusion operation dashboard looks like. On the left, you'll see the dashboard where you can get your analytics, your reports, and then set up your whole management process from production orders, scheduling, production records, sales orders, purchase orders, your inventory, your quality, products, operation, and set up your machine and workers, where you'll also be able to track your downtime, for instance, on planned maintenance on a machine, and track the productivity of workers and machines. To the right, you'll see that is what the real-time update would look like. You can see your productivity, the availability regarding your machine setups or your worker setups. You can track the quality, and you'll be able to get analytic reports regarding all this information. Now you can also reduce your waste and cost by gaining insight into production and identifying unseen costs. Shorten lead times as you can adjust schedules quickly and easily to adapt production changes. Get powerful insights that can assist you and to anticipate maintenance and minimize shop maintenance. Now that is very, very important, especially in the production industry. that you can track downtimes on machines, workers, and get real life updates regarding the progress in the production floor. Now, Fusion Operations key features is you can schedule and manage teams, machines, and materials, get real-time production visibility and updates, track maintenance, operations, and easily plan future actions with fully integrated maintenance management. Here you can see there's a nice graph for a quality analytic where you can see the waste, your percentage. At the right you can see your defects percentage and your top 5 defects. For instance, like scratches, incorrect dimensions or rust, and you can see the percentage regarding the quantity, and then also track the quality index. Now with Fusion Operations you can manage your teams, machines and materials to optimize your production capacity and increase manufacturing. Now, Fusion Operation has the capability for real-time dashboards and connected manufacturing. As you can see, there's an example in the feeds where you can get notifications tracking specific production orders and specific workers. You'll also be able to see your productivity and your availability within the workplace. Now, some of the best benefits is you can easily access this data from any device, from a PC, a laptop, a smartphone, and even a tablet. You can also stay connected with all your different colleagues and do all the tracking as needed. And then you'll get your custom alerts for responses where you can set up the types of alerts that you want to receive in the production environment or on the shop floor as an instance. Now, Fusion Operations capability, when we think about the Fusion Operations capability, you'll see there's a nice graph of a small operation and a production flow that has been created. Now you can create your operation and your production flows, and that's customizable as every operation might differ in every type of environment. You can easily identify your bottlenecks when you create it within the production. You can prioritize your production orders and be able to implement improvement to your production system. Now, Fusion Operations capability when it comes to the performance and productive of the production system, it can be maximized because you are able to track each worker's performance in real time. As you can see below, you can monitor the production, you can specify the team resources and align management with production floor activities. You can also streamline the business operations with Fusion Operations. As you can see, real-time visibility, centralize and simplify management, and make informed decisions. As you'll be able to get real analytic graphs, you'll be able to fully track and make the necessary decisions as needed or required. Fusion Operation Dashboard is a dynamic tool designed to offer real-time visibility into an organization's core business operation. Its purpose is to centralize and simplify the management of multiple business processes, helping leaders make informed choices and swiftly address any operational challenges or changes as needed or required. Some of the functionalities within Fusion operations is real-time monitoring. The dashboard continuously collects and displays live data from various departments, including the supply chain, production, finance, customer service, and this real time tracking enables organizations to maintain awareness of ongoing activities, can easily identify issues as they arise, and make timely choices to avoid disruptions, especially when you're monitoring your workflows on your machines. It's easily to see when production has been shifted if a work is overflown with work, and then you can make the choice on the spot to move the production and get into contact with all your different customers if you need to move something forward or move some of the production backwards, depending on your availability and your quality within certain machines or certain workers that has been created and set up. Performance metrics and KPIs. Now, this is a core feature of the Fusion Operations Dashboard, and it has the ability to present key performance indicators, KPIs, metrics such as production output, financial performance, customer satisfaction, and operational efficiency is displayed, allowing managers to evaluate the performance of different businesses areas against strategic goals. Now, this is a screenshot directly from the dashboard where you can see the production orders, downtime, the cost, worker labor time, machine work time, where you can track the quality checklist and your purchase orders. You get your data visualization through a range of visualization tools like charts, graphs, heat maps, and dashboards. Complex data is transformed into easily formats. This visual representation helps stakeholders quickly to understand trends, identify areas of concern, and make data driven choices without needing to dive deep into raw data, as you'll be able to track everything with your different types of charts from productivity, your waste codes, your quantity, the time, the OEEs, and the downtime. The customers customizable. What that means is the dashboard can be customized to suit the specific needs of the business or individual user. Metrics can be selected based on relevance, and reports can be tailored to reflect the most critical aspects of the operation. This ensures that users focuses on the data that matters most to their specific roles. Now here we've got just a report generator showing work labor time where you can track a specific date. You'll be able to show detailed by day, show rework times or hide weekends. You can select the worker or the section that worker is working in, and you'll be able to generate a report. You'll also be able to generate a report on production, machine work time, or production orders. Alerts and notifications can be automated to notify users when performance metrics deviate from preset standards or thresholds. Now, this alerts can be set up so that managers or supervisors can get the specific alerts as needed. This proactive feature allows for immediate intervention, minimizes downtime and efficiencies. As you can see, here is what the alerts table looks like on Fusion Operations dashboard, where you can set the type of alert from production order end. You'll be able to select the user that can get the specific notification, and you can select email. And then you'll get an email alert as well. When it comes to the system integration, Fusion Operation Dashboard seamlessly integrates with other enterprise tools such as ERP and CRM system, bringing data from multiple sources into one cohesive view. This integration provides a comprehensive picture of operational health, ensuring cross-functionality alignment. Fusion Operation does have an open API that allows you for easily integrating into a ERP or a CRM system. Here's just a few of the accounting or integrations that is available, like QuickBooks, webhooks, where you can simplify with your machine simpler API authentication, where you can start your configurations. Now, because it's an open API, you might need to get, for instance, if you've got an ERP system, you might just need to get the company that you manufactures or creates the ERP system, just to get them involved with setting up the APIs for Fusion Operation to work with your ERP system, as just an example. When we talk about streamlining manufacturing on the go, this is a small example what will be shown on the tablet. You can see its seamless, mobile-friendly interface. The tablet screen of Autodesk Fusion Operations is designed to provide a seamless, mobile-friendly interface that enhances user experience for managing manufacturing and production tasks on the go. Autodesk Fusion Operations, part of the Autodesk Fusion ecosystem, helps manufacturing or manufacturers streamline their operations. They offer features like job tracking, inventory management, and machine monitoring. On a tablet, these functionalities are optimized for touchscreens, providing flexible and convenience for engineers, operators, and managers alike. And this is fully customizable. You can select which icons or which tabs you would like to see on your tablet or your smartphone. to make it even more easier for the workers on the floor. Now, the tablet screen interface is tailored to be easily accessible with touch-friendly menus and icons that just make navigation easy. Users can quickly access essential functions such as work orders, machine status, inventory, and performance metrics. The interface maintains a clean design, ensuring that information is easily readable on a smaller screen without cluttering the display. Now you'll notice there is a picture there that actually shows you when you are on the tablet or on the smartphone. If you want to track or go into production orders, for instance, you can set up worker IDs and they'll be able to log in with their worker ID to track specific requirements or, for instance, production. If you have a worker that needs to start a job, they'll just sign in using their worker ID that you have created, type in their worker number, and then they can easily just click on the production order they're busy using and click on start and finish. And that would also create analytic that you can track to see the worker time and the production time that was spent on a specific order, as an example. Now, you'll see there's a few key benefits from track production progress, review job status, monitor machine health, instant access to information, and real-time visibility. Critically for fast-paced manufacturing. The key benefits of using Fusion Operations on a tablet is the ability to access real-time data from anywhere on the shop floor or even remotely. Whether it's tracking production progress, reviewing job status, or monitoring machine health, users have instant access to up-to-date information. This real-time visibility into operations help improve choice making or choices and response times, which is critical in a fast-paced manufacturing environment. The tablet version supports easily collaboration between team members, operators that can update job status, record issues, share insights directly from their tablets. Managers can easily review updates in real time and make choices or adjustments remotely. Mobility boosts efficiency by enabling quicker problem resolution, faster workflow adjustments, and customizable dashboards allows users to tailor the display to show key metrics relevant to their roles. Ensure critical data is always accessible, enhances operation efficiency, and making it a powerful tool for modern manufacturing environments. The key reasons why companies need tracking and traceability in their production environments. Regulatory compliance. Now, meeting industry standards. If you think about meeting industry standards, Many industries such as pharmaceuticals, food and automotive, or even the engineering or mining require strict adherence to quality and safety standards. Traceability helps companies comply with these regulations and avoid penalties. On the quality side, if you think about audit readiness, traceability records provide necessary documentation during audits, ensuring companies can demonstrate compliance with safety and quality standards. When we talk about efficient recall management, there's a few specific areas that we can immediately think about. Targeted recalls. In case of product recalls, a tracking system allows companies to identify the specific batches or units that are affected, reducing the scale of the recall and minimizing financial losses. Another thing that immediately comes to mind for efficient management is speed and accuracy. With complete traceability, companies can act quickly and accurately in a recall situation, protecting consumer safety and brand reputation. Process optimization, for instance, bottleneck identification. Tracking data helps identify inefficiencies and bottlenecks in the production process, enabling companies to streamline operations and improve productivity. A very important factor, and you will hear these words quite a lot in this presentation, and that is real time monitoring. Real time tracking allows managers to monitor production in progress, ensuring that everything runs according to schedule and any deviations are corrected promptly, immediately, and quickly. Another very important factor in any company: quality control and quality assurance. Defect identification. Now, the tracking allows companies to identify defects at any stage in the production process, ensuring that only high quality products reach customers. The root cause analysis. In the event of an issue, traceability helps pinpoint where and when a problem occurred, speeding up investigations and corrective action. Inventory and supply chain management. A very important two important factors when we think about inventory and supply chain management would be inventory visibility and supplier accountability. Inventory visibility, you can track the system providing real-time visibility into inventory levels, ensuring that the right materials are available at the right time to avoid production delays. With Fusion Operations, you also do have the functionality to get and set up alerts if your material gets low on stock, that you'll get a notification that you set up a minimum value and you'll need to be able to order the new stock as needed or required. When it comes to supplier accountability, the traceability allows companies to track materials back to the supplier, ensuring accountability for quality and delivery performance. Any company will look at cost reduction, as it's quite important for any company to survive and move forward. When we think about cost reduction, we think about waste minimization. By identifying production issues early, companies can reduce waste from defective or subpar products early and as quick as possible. You can prevent overproduction. Tracking ensures that production aligns with the demand, preventing excess production that can lead to higher storage cost or waste. Improved customer satisfaction. Now, improved customer satisfaction is also a very important key factor within any company. The product authenticity and transparency. Like, customers increasingly value knowing the origin of products, traceability provides transparency and helps to build trust and customer loyalty. Faster problem resolution is when an issue occurs. Having detailed tracking data allows company to respond quickly to customer complaints or concerns, improving customer service. Data-driven decision making. If you think about insight generation, tracking and traceability systems generate vast amounts of data that can be analyzed for insights into production performance, product quality, and areas for improvement. Another very important factor would be predictive maintenance, where you can track machine performance and product flow that can help predict when equipment will need maintenance, and that can reduce your downtimes, for instance machines breaking, as you'll be able to see and track and get specific analytics over a period of time. You'll be able to track, for instance, a machine used to put this amount of production out, and 2 months later, for instance, you'll immediately see it doesn't give you the same production value. Then you can plan maintenance on that machine before it breaks. It's quite very important. Now, incorporating tracking and traceability into a production environment enhances visibility, accountability, and control, resulting in a more efficient, compliant, and customer-focused operation. When we focus on the key points of Autodesk Fusion operations, will be the real-time data access that provides instant access to real-time data on the shop floor or remotely. The mobile-friendly interface, optimized for tablet use with touch-friendly menus and icons for easy navigation. Core functions, job tracking, inventory management, machine monitoring, and performance metrics. Collaboration, where operators can update job statuses, record issues, and share insights directly. Managers can review updates and make adjustments in real time or remotely. Customizable dashboards, where users can personalize dashboards to display key metrics specifics to their roles. You can enhance efficiency by improving decision making, response times, workflow adjustments, and critical in fast-paced manufacturing environments. Clean initiative design that ensures readable and usable on smaller tablet screens and minimizes clutter. Seamless integration that's part of the Autodesk Fusion ecosystem designed to streamline and manufacturing operations. Tracking and traceability. Productively and optimization involves tracking material flows, identifying bottlenecks, and streamlining workflows and eliminating efficiencies. Resource availability helps minimize downtime, identify capacity constraints, and optimize allocation, ensuring that resources are available when and where they are needed. You can monitor your work in progress inventory effectively, giving you control to navigate production progress, identify potential delays, and optimize the flow of production. Ensure traceability of finished goods with unique identifiers for each product, allowing for quick location and prompt action when necessary. You can evaluate your production process and material flows, then apply lean manufacturing principles to create a more efficient and streamlined operation. Again, you can identify bottlenecks, analyze cycle times, and optimize production schedules to ensure smoother coordination and time order fulfillment. You can move beyond mere numbers and gain visual data insight, monitor KPIs, track progress, and make informed data driven choices. Monitor defective products to facilitate quick identification and resolution of quality issues. The main stages of Autodesk Fusion operation implementation would be the first stage would be the initial assessment and planning, where you analyze current manufacturing processes and workflows, identify the areas where Fusion operations can improve efficiency, define your goals, objectives, and success metrics for implementation. Data management and integration, where you can set up Fusion operation software on relevant devices, for instance, tablets, desktops, or smartphones. You can customize the interface, including dashboards, reports, and key metrics. Configure system integrations with existing manufacturing equipment and systems like ERP systems, etc. You can get your user data migration and integration, where data migration and integration implies migrate relevant data, for instance, your inventory, your job orders, machine data, your workers, all into Fusion operations, and where you can ensure smooth integration with existing data sources and manufacturing systems. We'll go to conduct training sessions for operators, engineers, and managers, provide hands-on tutorials on using key features like job tracking, machine monitoring, and dashboard, and ensure all the users are comfortable navigating the tablet interface and accessing real-time data. Pilot testing, where we implement a trial run in a controlled environment or selected area of the production floor. Monitor the system performance, real-time data access, and workflow adjustments. Collect feedback from the users to identify any issues or areas for improvement. Roll out the Fusion operations across the entire manufacturing facility. Ensure all users have access to customized dashboards and key features. Provide ongoing support to address any technical issues or adjustments. Monitoring and optimization, where we continuously monitor the system performance and user engagement, use real-time data to optimize workflows and resource allocation, and regularly update and refine the system based on evolving needs and feedback. Now, Autodesk Fusion operations, when we think about the summary of Autodesk Fusion operations, it is a cloud-based platform designed to streamline and optimize manufacturing operations. It integrates various aspects of the production process, allowing business to manage their workflows more efficiently. Here are some of the key features and benefits. Your real-time data management, where Fusion Operation provides real-time visibility into production process, helping manufacturing monitor their operations and make informed decisions quickly. Workforce collaboration, where the platform enhances collaboration among teams by centralizing communication and project management, making it easier for employees to coordinate efforts. Production planning and scheduling, it offers tools for effective production planning and scheduling, allowing businesses to optimize resource allocations and meet delivery deadlines. Quality management, this includes features for tracking product quality, identifying defects, and implementing corrective actions, ensuring high standards in the manufacturing industry. Analytics and reporting, the platform provides robust analytics capabilities, enabling manufacturing to analyze performance metrics and identify areas for improvement. Scalability, being a cloud-based, Fusion Operations is scalable, making it suitable for a business of all sizes, from a small manufacturing to a large enterprise. Overall, Autodesk Fusion Operation aims to enhance operational efficiency, improve product quality, and support better decision making in the manufacturing environment. Thank you for joining this morning. If you have any questions or would like to reach out to us, please email us at info@mgfx.co.za. You can visit our company page at www.mgfx.co.za. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more content.